Have you ever wanted to travel alone but felt that a small voice inside you saying, "Is it safe? Am I ready? What if something goes wrong?" I understand that voice very well. As a solo female traveler, especially coming from my background and traveling to different countries alone, I've learned that solo traveler, it's not about being fearless. It's about being prepared, aware, and confident in your decision. In this video, I'm sharing 10 real tips that I personally use every time I travel alone. These are not just Google tips, these are things I actually practice. If you are planning your first solo trip, stay with me until then because some of the most important advice is in the middle of this video. Let's start. Okay, deep research is your first protection. Before I book ticket, I go deep into research. I read Reddit discussion, I search for solo female traveler experiencing, and read real comments. I want to know if someone faced harassment, scams, or unsafe areas. I also check my country's official government travel advisory website. They usually mention the areas to avoid, political situations, or safety alerts. Travel trends on Instagram don't show risk, but real comments always do. Be strategic with your transportation. Sometimes you have no choice but take a taxi at night. That's okay. But personally, I prefer public transportation when possible. In a bus or metro, I feel less exposed. I feel like I blend in more. A single woman getting into a taxi or all alone at night sometimes attracts more attention. So I always check, is public transportation safe? What time does it stop? Are rides app available? Preparation reduces anxiety. The third tip, first day is your observation. On my first day, I don't rush to tourist attraction. I walk around to the neighborhood, understand the metro lines or bus. I locate at supermarkets. I observe how people dress and behave. This gives me control. After that, I feel confident enough to explore further. By the way, if you are watching this and you are already traveled solo, tell me in the comments what was the biggest challenge you faced. And if you are planning your first solo trip, where are you thinking of going? Also, don't forget to like this video. It really support my channel and help others to see content like this. Okay, number 4. Before traveling, I search on Pinterest, something like women outfit in the destination country. Not to change who I am, but to adapt. If local women dress modestly, I adjust. If it's casual, I keep it simple. Blending in reduces attention, and less attention often means more safety. Number 5. I always share my live location with my family or friends. If you have iPhone, you can use Find My application. Or if it's Android, you can use Google Maps live location sharing. Someone should always know where you are, not because you are weak, but because you are smart. This is one of the most important tips. As a woman, we are often taught to be polite, to not overreact, to not make it awkward, but if someone feels slightly strange, a driver asking you too many questions, a stranger insisting on helping, a place that feels uncomfortable, you don't need proof to leave. You don't need to justify it. Your gut is built from thousands of small signals your brain processes automatically. Even if it feels small, even you're not sure why, just don't do it. Change the direction, cancel the plan, and leave. Number 7, meeting people is beautiful. Some of my best memories came from a stranger I met while traveling, but I never immediately say that I am alone. If someone asks, I said, "Oh, I'm meeting some friends later. My friends are at hotel waiting for me. I'm waiting for someone." And it changed dynamic immediately. Also, avoid sharing your hotel names, your exact schedule, how long you will stay. You can be kind and open, but without being fully exposed. Learn basic local words. Even knowing 5 words make a difference, like hello, thank you, please, and definitely no thank you and help. It makes locals feel respected. It also makes you look less vulnerable. When people see you try, they treat you, differently. And psychologically, it gives you confidence. You don't feel completely lost. Protect your valuable smartly. In crowded area like bazaar or busy street, I don't carry all my valuable things. If my hostel has lockers, I use them. And I always bring my own small padlock. Also, never keep all your cards in one wallet. Divide and be secure. And the last tip, if you've never traveled solo, don't start with the most challenging country. Start with a short trip near your hometown, even inside your country. Book one night, eat alone, navigate alone, and sit in a cafe alone. The first time, it feels uncomfortable, but the second time feels powerful. Confidence is built through experience. And solo traveling, it's not about proving that you are brave. It's about knowing that you can handle yourself. And trust me, you are much more capable than you think. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with who needs to hear this. And tell me in the comments, what's your dream solo destination? See you in the next adventure. Bye.